This question appear quite often in our community, or maybe we are the one who asked this question. Is it allowed for Christian to have a tattoo? I want to discuss with you. There are 4 arguments that I want to discuss with you. The first one is the one a lot of people talk about the Bible verse from Leviticus 19 verse 28. I'm reading from NIV translation, and it says, "Do not cut your bodies for the dead or put tattoo mark on yourself. I am the Lord." So with this Bible verse, yes, it is clearly. It says that do not cut your bodies for the dead or put tattoo, exact word. But I want you to look at the Bible, this Bible verse. We have to understand that when we look at the Bible, we have to understand there are 3 laws that Bible discuss about. The first is moral law. The second one is the ceremonial law. The third one is the cultural law. So if you understand, there are some cultural law that was talked about in the Bible. And that culture is, of course, different compared to our culture. The next one is the ceremonial. The ceremonial in that moment, it's different compared to our ceremonial now. But the moral should be never changed. When Jesus came to this earth, he changed this whole ceremonial and cultural law. But he kept the moral law even stronger. So we have to understand when God talked about this Leviticus 19 verse 28, it's actually what happened was a lot of Israelites was torturing their body. So you have to understand, torturing. And nowadays, people, when they do tattoos, it's not because they torture or they try to damage their body. No, they do it because of art. So the background is very different. Okay, and also with that Bible verse argument, we also have to look the verses before and the verses after. They were not just talking about a tattoo, but they talk also about how women, and how people should come to God when they have worship together. The women said they should not let the hair be braided. They should not let the hair just being seen by people. They should have put something covered. So I want to ask you, if you talk about the tattoo part, why don't you discuss about the other part? See? Okay. The next argument. Oh, don't tattoo yourself because later on, God will not recognize you. Oh, sorry. God is not that stupid. Okay? So, and you have to understand, nowadays, after you tattoo yourself, you can laser it too and you can erase it. So, the argument is also not strong. The third one, I heard a preacher and an author said, and some people bring this argument to me. We have to be careful because tattoo bring 2 things, addiction and bloodshed. Addiction and bloodshed. Okay, I want to ask you, if you try a food or a snack and you like it, will you keep coming back and buy them again? Big percentage that we will, right? If you try McDonald's fries and you like it, you keep coming back to get the McDonald's fries again, right? So addiction can be, and bloodshed. I want to ask you, when you learn how to ride bicycle, isn't there also bloodshed? You try and you fail, bloodshed. When you learn how to cook and somehow accidentally you cut yourself, bloodshed. But addiction and bloodshed does not mean idolatry and worshipping other gods. And the fourth one, when we put tattoos, it's actually damaging our body. We put holes in our bodies. I want to ask you, how about all the girls and the ladies who put earpiece for their earrings? It's same thing, right? So Actually, the question is not allowed or not allowed. The question is it useful or not? Okay, so I want to give you several just barrier or just be careful with your tattoo. The first one is don't tattoo your girlfriend or boyfriend, especially when you haven't married them yet. Okay, because there is big possibility you're gonna regret it. Okay, the next one, we have to be aware of what is our future job opportunity, because there are some job opportunity that cannot accept your tattoo, as well as we have to be aware about our future spouse, because some of them might like it, some of them might not like it. So I want to help us to think through together about tattoo. It's not about allowed or not allowed. Is it useful or not? I hope it helped.